Hey guys, Hasib here. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about the GoHighLevel scoring ability. So basically what this is you can assign points to your leads based on their engagement and further categorize them or filter them. Like if they engage more with your automations or with your texts or emails or anything like that, you can assign them points and then categorize them based on how many times they engaged. So in order to see that, we will go to settings, we will go to manage scoring. This is one of my demo accounts. Now, as you can see, engagement score. This score profile uses predefined rules to measure how engaged contacts are with the platform. So based on what a lead does, you can assign points. You can add points, you can decrease points. So there are lots of things you can do. These are predefined, these are pre-created, which you can remove. You can just delete them. But these are rules, and based on these rules you can assign certain points. This was a feature in other CRMs as well, and now GoHighLevel has introduced it. Let's talk about it by creating a new rule. So I'm going to say if these are all the triggers. So if you are familiar with GoHighLevel workflow, you know what I mean, right? So in order for workflow to work for a lead, you need to put a trigger like appointment booked or opportunity created or pipeline stage changed or opportunity status changed, so these are triggers. So these are basically rules similar to that. Let's talk about the first one, email event. I'm going to say if an email is opened, I want to add 1 point to that lead. So whoever opens among my leads, whoever opens my email, every time they open an email, they get 1 point. That's basically what I'm saying, right? Again, let's create another one saying contact tag added. So I'm saying tag added, Facebook ad. So whenever there's a lead, whenever a lead gets this tag added to them, we add, let's say 2 points, right? Again, let's create another one saying email events. If someone clicks something, like if a lead clicks on a link in my email, I would add them 2 points. So that's how we, assign points. This is predefined and you can totally mess around with it. Again, let's create something else. If a contact replied contains phrase or, hashtag or exact match phrase, contains phrase yes. So I would say add 5 points because they showed interest to some of any of the automations I had, so that's something you can create. And also appointment status confirmed, so they get 5 points if they booked an appointment. If appointment status cancel, if they cancel the appointment, you can subtract 5 points. If order form submitted, if they bought something, sale, we add 10 points because we sold something to them, because order form is how you sell services or products through your landing pages. So basically when you're done, save it. I don't know why it's giving an error, but you should be able to save it. I think I messed up something, but anyway, when you are done, just hit save and publish. That should save all the rules you created under scoring. And now let's go back to our automation. So let's see how you can use them. So let's start from scratch. So I'm going to call this workflow scoring, right? Add new trigger. I'm going to say score. So contact engagement score. Now this is our trigger in the workflow. Let's say if a contact has more than 10 points. So we're going to say score greater than or equal to 10. So they may have opened an email, they may have clicked on an email link, or they may have booked an appointment, they may have bought something, purchased something from any of my landing pages, based on how we set the rules, right? So if the contact has equal to or more than 10 points, we can add a tag saying hot lead or level 1 or something. You can just distinguish them in the future because these are the most engaging leads, right? That's something you can do. Or it goes another way. So let's create another workflow saying start from scratch. I'm going to call this scoring 2. So now let's say you can manipulate your leads score or engagement score through workflows. So we can say, I'm just giving you an like idea, right? So appointment status is cancelled. So I'm going to do, this is the action part of the engagement score, right? So modify contact, subtract 5. You can obviously do it via the scoring, feature by adding a new rule. If the appointment status is cancelled, just subtract 5. But you can also do it through workflows. I just wanted to give you a walkthrough of how you can use it, and how you use it, strategically how you implement it. It's totally up to you. But this is how you manipulate your contacts engagement score and assign it, add it, subtract it, whatever. But that's how you do it technical. Like, I just wanted to show you the technical way of doing it, and the rest is up to you. So I hope this video was helpful, and I just tried to make it as short as possible. But yeah, I hope you liked it. Just subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.